Hello there. We heard you've decided to make your own e-commerce empire? But you are stuck with a question in your head. Which type of e-commerce website will go well with your business? If you're having a hard time choosing the best e-commerce business model that goes well with your business, then no worry. We're here to solve this issue, and show you the track you might have missed on your journey. Let's dive in. There are 4 types of e-commerce models available. Let's have a look at 4 e-commerce models: B2B, business to business; B2C, business to consumer; C2C, consumer to consumer; and C2B, consumer to business. Let's check them out. The first one is B2B, that is business to business module. B2B e-commerce involves transactions between a manufacturer and wholesaler, or a wholesaler and a retailer, through an online sales platform. B2B e-commerce is one of the fastest growing sales models. If you're getting into wholesale, a B2B e-commerce solution drives sales by helping you create custom pricing and discounts for specific customer segments, automate and review new buyer signups, allow B2B customers to buy, track, and reorder products easily, sync inventory, purchase orders, and customers with an existing e-commerce store or third-party software.
Amazon, Alibaba, Picky Bars, etc. are good examples of B2B business model.
Now, let's check out the next module, B2C, that is, business to consumer. Business to consumer refers to the practice of companies selling goods and services directly to customers without the use of a middleman. Due to the development of the internet, this sort of e-commerce has rapidly expanded. B2C type of e-commerce has some great benefits for the business persona. B2C e-commerce eliminates the need to pay for physical stores, because all transactions take place online. You may monitor your online success and get information from clients and site visitors. Your business may take advantage of more business prospects with B2C e-commerce, because you are not restricted by location or business hours. Your business can enhance marketing return on investment by 5 to 8 times, by using personalized marketing strategies into your e-commerce strategy. We can mention some famous e-commerce brand names like Target, Etsy, Shopify, etc., which are built based on the B2C business model. The third module we're about to discuss is C2C, which is consumer to consumer. C2C is a business model whereby customers can trade with each other, that is led by a third party, basically by online auction, social media platform, or e-commerce website that looks after transaction status, payments, and other aspects. It helps sellers as well as buyers to find each other by charging a small fee or commission. Here are the reasons you should be starting a C2C e-commerce store. The C2C e-commerce business model removes most barriers that prevent people from using virtual business models. With a C2C e-commerce store, the chances of getting visits by customers and getting transactions are much higher. Zero involvement of intermediaries will lower the cost of the product or service being offered. That will increase business profitability.
Online businesses like Craigslist, Walmart, Alibaba, and eBay pioneered this model in the early days of the internet.
The final one is C2B, which stands for consumer to business. Consumer to business, or C2B, differs from other e-commerce models because in this business model, consumers offer products or services to businesses in exchange for payment or other benefit. There are many benefits to both consumers and businesses in the C2B e-commerce model, including businesses and sellers can define their own revenue parameters, that offers more scheduling flexibility for freelancers to enjoy while providing their services. Sellers have unlimited earning potential, they can work as much as they want and provide their services and product to as many businesses as they choose. Consumers can provide their products or services to a business without having to create a business or go into business for themselves. Sellers have the opportunity to gain valuable work experience with different businesses across multiple projects, and they have the opportunity to be paid well for their services. The platforms that sell royalty-free photos, images, media, and design components, like iStock, VectEasy, IconScout, etc., are good examples of C2B types of e-commerce platforms. From these 4 main types of e-commerce, you can verify the best suited one based on your product or services. However, if you need a more defined outline, Ascii team is always by your side to suggest a suitable module. We will analyze your business ins and outs, target audience, goals, etc. So, don't hesitate to contact us here. We will arrange all the steps ahead to share your untold business story, and your pain, before your competitor does. Thanks for watching.